So I think another tidbit of the hair industry that you should know is that hair is a scarce commodity. Um, it's very rare to find very long, unprocessed, virgin human hair. And because of that, there are so many ways to manipulate one single donor's ponytail to get varied lengths. I know you hear the horrors about people mixing textures of hair. Some hair is mixed processed, some hair is not. And at the end of the day, you really have to do your research in order to know exactly what it is that you're buying. So, for instance, if I were to go into the village today and pay a young lady for her 40-inch ponytail, virgin hair, never been processed, never been colored, I'm going to take this same 40-inch ponytail and try to make multiple lengths of hair. 12-inch, 14-inch, 16-inch, so on and so forth. I mean, now, trend-wise, a lot of people are really trying to rock 30-inch and above. So maybe today this one hair will be sourced. And so it usually takes a month to find this type of hair, usually when you order. But for the most part, I need to get the most out of this hair. So I'm going to cut it in a way that I can get these other lengths. And from there, you can get into the ratio of hair, which we're going to talk about in another video, because you need to know the amounts or the ratio of short hairs to long hairs to know if you are getting the best deal for your money.